Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Create Your Own Cozy. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a thrift haul with you guys. I've got this shelf that I painted in a prior video that I had to barter to get out of my daughter's room. She had the entire thing filled with books and I was like, you know what would be great in my booth? So I swapped some furniture out with her. I'm getting this ready to go and I thought, you know what, this is a good place to set up a thrift haul. So if you want to see what I got, stick around. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to start with is something that I got for Christmas. I've always looked at these. I never wanted to pay like a full price. This was $5 and I thought it could be great upcycled to my style. My 7-year-old says we need to keep it. If not, it'd be great in a booth. So that is the first item I'm going to show you today. I'm not going to upcycle it yet. I'm going to wait for my Christmas videos coming up. Next, the bunnies have been doing okay. Like the first week, like every time I put one in, they sold. The second week, that same person obviously was not around. So they're still in there, but I still got some bunny stuff that I am going to just do with Pottery in white wax. These were 50 cents a piece. I got 2 of them. Cute little bunnies. I don't think I'm gonna do anything to those. Those are cute as they are. This little lady. This guy, I'm going to take his whiskers out since he's missing a whisker. And I figured I could kind of paint his whiskers on, or once he's in Pottery, it won't matter. These guys, see, this was $1. This was $1. These guys were $1, and I'm going to take out this greenery. I'm just going to pop it out, and you won't even know it was supposed to be there. We'll see. I think they'll be much cuter after they've been painted. This was 25 cents. I thought it was really cute. Cute little birdhouse. I might just leave it as is. Who knows? And then thought this was $1, but I thought that could look really cute. White and distressed, maybe just with white wax over it. We'll see. And then this was $1, this basket. Thought it was a good size to do some upcycling to, with some burlap and a stamp maybe. Next, this basket was $3.09. I thought it was really cool as is. And it's got a plastic inside, so if you're putting any plants in there, they'd be safe. But look at the back. I thought that was really pretty. This could be really pretty on a basket wall too. Okay. Got this for $5.09. It's relatively heavy. It's going to be going out in my booth when it's Christmas time. I Love Amber, 89 cents. Has some fun little detail up top there. This is staying with me. $2.09 at Goodwill. Just an antique masher of sorts. I also got, this was $2, and it is like a vintage, it's very old looking, but somebody painted on it. I think I'm just gonna put it in there as is because it has the yellow kind of that I'm using as an accent color right now. This I thought would be really cute for Christmas. Look, it's tall and lean. It was $2. And if it was painted up to match like a little village, look really cute with a bunch of other Christmassy things. I love little houses. I paid $5 for this, but I'm pretty sure toilet paper would sit perfect right here. And I'm gonna try it in my booth as is to see if the people in my area will do the galvanized metal. And if I stage it with the toilet paper, then they'll know what to use it for. This guy, I think he was $2. I'm just gonna keep this for Christmas as is. Thought it was really cute. Thinking ahead, trying not to be a storage warehouse, but thinking ahead. Y'all, I've always wanted one of these. I have girls. It was $5.09, and at the moment, this will be for me, just to like make some fun vignettes, probably in my front create room. I like it as is, and eventually I'll sell it if I get over it, but again, 3 girls, it's probably staying here. This, $1. I think I might put it in my kitchen and just, instead of just the constant, just be like, point to the side. Stop whining. $4. I like the finish as is. And I'm probably just gonna put some greenery in it and put it right in my booth. Now this one was an interesting one. I picked it up, I put it back, I picked it up, I put it back. It was $3. And it is 1, 2, 3. They all like hang in a row. And it's magnetic. But I thought it could also be cool if you just take it apart and you do one at a time. Like, I like these scalloped edges. And to put like a transfer on there or words. I thought that was cute. So you can see what the back looks like. I love the green that it has, but it's kind of scratched up. So who knows what I'll end up doing to that. Put it back. I went back and I got it again. Got this pretty mug for 50 cents. Just thought it was cute. I took 3 years of pottery. Gosh, my eyes are horrible. It's signed by the artist. I took 3 years of pottery in high school. So I know how to turn on a wheel. And before I had my first kid, I took about 1.5 years with a local artist and have a bunch of pottery. So I really have an affinity for pottery, especially when you use this chocolate clay. I used to love using this chocolate clay. It would fire this dark color. Felt like it was softer than the others. I got this for $4. I really got it for the glass cloche. It was gonna make a wood round to put underneath it. But look at the pretty little flowers under it. I feel like somebody could like this as is. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think something like this would sell in a booth? Or should I do the wood round thing underneath this? I have a cloche problem. Speaking of, I got 2 more dome things. I really loved how, I'll insert the picture, how this other dome turned out. And so the idea is to do the same kind of thing with these. This was $1. Thought it'd be nice with like a little wood finial on top and then some wood underneath. This one is a little more substantial. It was $6.99. But it's a heftier piece, and there's a perfect flat spot. I don't even know what this would have been used for, other than a dome. But it needs a finial, either an old doorknob or a wooden finial up top would be gorgeous. Now, this was $3. I feel like it was half off because I don't think I would have paid $3 for this. But it can be used for a DIY project, but also my kid that decided she's vegetarian, the only way I can get her to eat chicken is if I do like a rice check cereal on top of chicken and fry it. And this would make it so much easier. I don't have like a fryer basket. So this is actually functional. Thought this would be good for one of the kids' teachers. $2. It's from Hobby Lobby. Teachers plant seeds of knowledge that will grow forever. This was 50 cents. I already sold one like this in the booth. So just figured there's like this little weird orange around here. So I figured I'd put some burlap or something around here so it doesn't look as obvious. This was $1. I'm gonna put collections of these and of these. They keep dwindling, so when I see them, I'm gonna pick them up. This was also $1, this little gravy boat. No stamps on the bottom. I love funny mugs and cute mugs, so I was gonna put this in there right now. Good Morning Sunshine, 25 cents. And Good Morning Beautiful. This one was 50 cents. That'd be good for like someone to buy a mom or something. This was a little sugar cube. Has a lid. Was $1. These milk glass vases were 50 cents a piece. I got this for $2. I'm gonna leave it as is because I like the coloring of it and thought this would be good to put in the booth for fall. It's a little, put it down here and put something in it, or looks really cute. Like that as well. Now, I also got this. This was $3. Obviously somebody used this. I think that's a chalk pen, but I'm just gonna paint over the back. They use this for, you know, the 1-year-old pictures. Henry, come here, baby. But I loved how it sat back. I thought this would be really pretty with like an IOD mold. So you paint the back, put some pattern or something on the back, and put an IOD mold in the center. I thought it'd be really fun. Got this for $2. Listen, I still like burlap because it's in my color world. So could try to see if it'll sell as is. I'm sure there's still people that like this. Otherwise, there's a form on here and there's burlap as supply for the back of other things. This is gonna be for my front porch. I got these for $2 a piece. Got 2 of them. I love the colors. I love the pattern. It's nice and muted. This is for me. Now, this, I put this in the basket at the very beginning and it was at the very bottom. I thought this was a table runner. I got this thing of fabric for $4. See them? But what they really are these huge pillow shams. There's 2 of them. And I am in desperate need of redoing my master bed. And I have a lot of pillows, so this would be good to like layer in the back. So while I thought it was a table runner, it's now mine for my future master bedroom makeover when I get to it, haha. This I thought was really fun. It was $6.09. Thought it was cute as is. I don't even know that I put antique wax on it, but it could be used to like sell things in my booth and list for sale. Now, I got a lampshade a while back from an antique store. Paid $30 for it because it's really cool. I'm gonna put a picture right here. This has a similar shape. It has a double, like there's metal here, and it kind of goes in like this, and it's a gorgeous shape. And listen, I see that this is in beautiful condition, but I like the bones of this. It was $3, and I'm gonna use it as a skeleton lampshade in my own house. Okay, so a while back, I got this really cool tall lamp at a garage sale for like $6. And I've never liked the lampshade, but I've never found anything big enough to replace it with. This is also in really great condition. I just don't know that this is my style of finish. It can always be painted. Look how big it is. This is how, I mean, it is just a cool shape. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. This was $6, but I mean, like, look how big it is. I also picked this up. It was $5. And I'm either gonna use it in my husband's office or my kids' room or sell it in the booth. Not sure yet. So that is it for today's thrift haul. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite item that I picked up? As of right now, it is Monday, and I think Thursday is the end of the month. I have made rent and then some, and am noticing that I need to get some more stuff in the booth, possibly some more furniture, which is why this is going to be going in there, so things can be displayed a little bit better. There's a certain wall that things seem to, when like people are walking up, they see that. So that's where this is going to go, because a lot of stuff that's been put right there has been selling. So I am going to apply a couple of these things, and my intent is after the month closes to let you guys know what I made, what I had to pay in rent, what the cost of the goods were. Just kind of give you the quick and dirty and the real stuff about having my booth for the first month. If you're interested in that kind of information, let me know in the comments below. I don't know when this video is going to come out. Today is Monday, and I am leaving on Friday for a women's retreat and then going for spring break to Florida. So I'm trying to get some stuff filmed so that I can keep the content coming while enjoying some time off with my kids and my husband. So if you guys like this kind of content, I would love it if you give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you'd be interested in hearing the quick and dirty of the first month of having my own booth, and which of these items like you could not have left behind. And if you like my content, I would love it if you consider subscribing to my channel, hitting that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you guys get a notification. And if you wouldn't mind sharing my channel to help it grow, that would help YouTube know that this is content that other people could also like. So guys, thank you so much for coming along with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. What's the matter? Is there no laugh for you because of the computer? Are you jealous of editing? So if I do this, if I move the computer, oh, when I move the computer, you're gonna sit all the way up here so I can't be on my computer.